Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a text to audio file. And most people might say they are looking for an application that can help them to create a text to audio image, or some can just say they are looking for a text to audio converter. This is actually the video for you. Now I'm going to do this in three different methods, and I'm going to start with CapCut, and I'm starting on the mobile. Then I will move to the PC and show you guys even how to do it. Do not forget, CapCut also have a desktop version, so doing this is actually going to help you to do the same thing on the desktop version. Now open CapCut, click on new project, and then we are going to start with stock video, and we are going to go to background, and we are going to choose a plain green background. Now the reason why we are choosing a green background is so that if we are working on other software, we can remove the background easily. So select it and add it to the file. You can drag this as long as your test audio keep going. Hold on guys, I got to get rid of this. Then you can drag this to the end of your audio. So I'm going to start adding my test image. Click on this area, click on test, and then add test. And while adding the test, I am going to put different words. Alright guys, so when you finish typing, you click on the check icon and it's going to load up this page. Now if it brings up this page, it's a simple thing that you need to do. Click on text to speech. Now when you click on text to speech, you click on apply to all. Now go ahead and look at the different tests. There are different tests here. This is actually English, this is anime. You can go ahead and select different tests. If you click on this, it's going to say the word.
Hello, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, we'll show you how to create an eye.
Alright, now that is the person's voice. You can click on this other person's voice to hear.
Hello, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I will show you how to create an AI.
And I can do this also.
Hello, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I will show you how to create an AI.
So guys, if you are not satisfied with the way that the AI is talking, you can double click or just click once. It's going to display an adjustment. This is the normal speed. If you increase this speed, it's going to talk faster, but I think the normal speed is actually okay. So I'm just going to you can notice there is also female. There are different
Hello,
AI.
I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video.
You
On
can
today's
scroll
video,
down.
I will show you how to create an AI.
You can scroll down to see different ones. You can choose any one that you like. I think I'm actually okay with the energetic male, and I'm going to click on confirm. Now when you click on confirm, it's going to start generating your speech. You notice it's generating the speech. So you notice it says speech generated. Now you can look at the audio file. This is actually the audio file, and this is where it ended. Now let me do something else so that you guys will still see that it still keep going. So okay, I'm done typing, so I'm going to confirm again, click text to speech, and do not forget apply to all. So I'm going to scroll down. I've forgotten the person I chose here, an energetic male. Now if you actually
And all the tools you need for this.
confirm, and you notice it says replace. The current voice will replace by the new voice. I'm going to click on replace, and it's going to replace the other voice. So wait for it to generate the audio. Now you notice it generated audio for this and audio for this. Now how you know that it generated the audio? Just look at the blue line. The blue line is actually an audio. And if you want to confirm that, let me go back. You notice this area, just click on the audio and you are going to see all of the audio in the video. You can swipe to actually see if they are well arranged. If they are not properly arranged, you can actually click and hold, then move it backward. So you notice it says right there that it says test updated according to the speech setting. So once you move this, it's going to move. So depending on how you move it, that's exactly how the test is also going to follow the audio. Now you can go ahead and let's go ahead and play the audio. Now this did not play because of the rendering speed, or my RAM is already full. So I'm going to go back and play it again.
Hello, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I will show you how to create an AI. I will discuss the meaning of AI, the importance of AI, and all the tools you need for this.
So you can see that the voice is actually not perfect. So all you need to do is just move this a little bit backward. I think it did not actually need to have too much space on it. This is enough. And move this also. Oh, come on. That was a mistake, guys. Move this backward. Okay. I think this is going to be closed because the sentence was actually a continuation. Now, watch.
Hello, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I will show you how to create an AI. I will discuss the meaning of AI, the importance of AI, and all the tools you need for this.
Now, if this is still not perfect, still keep switching it until you are actually satisfied. But I think I'm actually satisfied with that. So if you want to end the video right here, just click on this area and then you split and you delete. And now the next thing you need to do is actually to export. Now, I do not know if you guys or anybody don't know how to remove green screen, but removing green screen is actually quite easy. So let's say I am done with that and probably click on a new project or on a different video editing tool, and then I'm just going to come right here and choose a different image, click on add, and then I'm going to click on the overlay, and then click on add overlay. I am going to go to video, and this is actually
Hello,
the green
I'm
screen.
Trust, and this
I'm
is
going to click on add, and then this is actually our green screen. So all you need to do is actually look for the chroma tool. Sorry, it's actually background remover tool, right? Yeah, it's background remover tool on this particular tool. So you can either use the chroma key or you use the custom remover, but I think the chroma key is actually okay. So I'm going to highlight over this, and then I think I'm actually okay with that. I'm going to click on select. It just picked my color, and then auto remover. You notice it just removed it, and then I'm going to click on confirm, and then you cannot play the image, you cannot play the video and listen. Okay, let me increase this length to end the same area for the green screen. So guys, I am actually not teaching you how to remove green screen. You already know how to do that. Just play.
Hello, I'm Trust, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I will show you how to create an AI.
Right, so if probably this is a talking image, I'm going to actually edit that and it's going to be talking. So this is actually how to do it on CapCut.